Please come and take your phone.
Welcome to the ICC. Sorry I came a bit late. We've gone from there, the sit at home, to now no more work on Monday. You can do everything else. You can go to the stadium and play football. You can trade on the streets. You can have church activities. You can have social events. Some even have all manner of social events happen on Monday. The streets are all busy, the roads are busy, except the open. And they said, sit at home. For at least the last 2 years, no one can say that is sitting or is not opening the shop because of insecurity. It's not true. It's not about insecurity. Because we are moving around on Monday. We are doing everything else on Monday. Before, like I said, during the unitized season, the home and trading markets were open on Monday. We've had Christmas like no other. This last Christmas, no incident. And I will speak to you very clearly, but I will listen to you. I will listen. For those who say, and we need to confront this particular crazy argument. Some people say it is linked to Nnamdi Kanu. Absolute nonsense. It has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. And I can say that with every force and every authority, without any fear of contradiction. I am the one, thank God I'm still alive. I am the one who led Igbo leaders, about 13 of us, including Battle Kame and so on and so forth. I never met Nnamdi Kanu in my life before. But about 2016 or 2017, I can't remember which one again. There was a hue and cry that somebody was detained against corporate judgment. I am the one that led prominent Igbos to Kuje. And there, part of what we discussed there was we offered our own views on anti-violence. We came out. I addressed the International Press Conference calling for his release. And subsequently he was released. Again, I became governor. I'm the first governor on record to have gone to the DSS custody. That was May 13th, 2022. I assumed office in March 17th. Less than 2 months I visited him in DSS custody. That was when this sit-at-home thing was raging. And I confronted him with the fact that several criminal elements were killing innocent Igbos for going about their lawful business on Monday, enforcing the very criminal sit-at-home order. I confronted him with it. And his exact word in response was that it was an abomination for anybody to go to kill others or maim others trying to force sit at home. But this was, he said to me, not to already, I was the one that just went there. And following that, he gave an order. You must have seen the video circulating. His lawyer, a lawyer in Jamaica, addressed a press conference and said he was speaking on the authority with the handwritten order by Nnamdi Kanu, condemning and abolishing the sit-at-home thing. People have adjusted to a new week on the calendar. People now want to do a different week calendar, different from the rest of the world. But the Southeast, Ebola must be rescued. We have to join the rest of the world. The rest of the world cannot wait for us. You cannot destroy the homeland that you are claiming to fight for. You can't. And we'll move forward. And we'll move forward. If you have everything going on and Onitsha, and the Navy don't work on Monday, then you are holding down Southeast, not just Anambra. And we are determining whatever it takes. And I will tell you a few things how we are going to do this business. We have pleaded to reason, to stand up, provided security, done everything, and so on and so forth. Now we are now prepared to very positive thing. That majority of the people enforcing this are not from Anambra. We have now discovered this. And sooner or later, if this persists, we're going to take some extraordinary measures. Very extraordinary measures. Because this cannot go on. Not under my watch. It cannot go on. The security, we are going to work with you. And we're going to work with you very seriously to rejig the security and when that is various markets. We're going to rejig it for coming Monday and the subsequent ones. But let me tell you, the greatest security is the will of the people. The greatest security is the will of the people. It went down at the weekend. We're going to work out an appropriate security architecture to make sure that main market and all those adjoining markets. And let me say this, because I just asked for a few markets, there are about 8 to 9 major markets in Anambra, and every one of them must be open.
A chief honorable, innocent. Of course, I'm going to be any late. You may be doing on my compound and then Soludo those children of the poor of Anambra State, Professor. Economy, let's say good long. The non-ilo, Maninos, Nosala, as no and Mara. Well, I want you to successful entrepreneur. akwa ga-enye aka rinne